Officially presented by IWA Outdoor Classics and our partners, Beretta, Steiner, VFG Weapon Care, and the lead-free hunting bullets by RWS.
Hey everyone, this is Mike from Project Archangel. I'm here at IWA 2024 for Low Ready Magazine, the community-based magazine for a modern European gun culture. Now, I'm here at the booth of Silky with Martin.
Thank you.
And we're here because a lot of people talk about guns, obviously. Some talk about knives. No one talks about saws. But today we're going to talk about saws, because saws are very important, especially if you're doing outdoor stuff. Martin, what's so special about these Japanese-style saws?
Yeah, the Japanese type of saws, the first thing is they're all made in Japan, of course. They do this for 100 years already. The special thing about these type of saws is Silky has a patented technique. So the teeth ratio of these saws are different than others. Mm-hmm. And that makes it the silky smooth cut, silky smooth. This is the Outback section, which varies from different sizes of saws. And they are black coated with a nickel coating. One, for the hunt, it's better camouflaged. Mm-hmm. And also the coating provides some protection of the teeth, so they
mm-hmm.
stay sharper for a longer time. And the handle is also different than the others. It doesn't use the gum grip, but pressured wood makes it a comfortable grip mm-hmm. without being slippery.
Okay.
So that's
So, what do you have to do to sharpen that kind of saw? Because I imagine it's kind of hard to do it yourself.
Yeah, we don't recommend to sharpen it yourself, because the tip of the teeth are induction hardened, mm-hmm. which means that they are for a fraction of a second they are heated in a very high temperature, which makes it more durable. So yes. They stay sharper for a longer time, but also makes it more difficult to sharpen it yourself. Mm-hmm. So it goes both ways, but you will do a long time with one saw. So sharpening yourself isn't really recommended.
Isn't really an issue, huh?
No.
Okay, good. If you want to know more about the Silky saws, just check out the Silky website. We're going to link that thing down below in the video description. If you want to know more about Low Ready Magazine, their link will be in the description as well. We're a community-based magazine. That means you guys can participate if you want to. The article on how to do that is on the front page of the website. So check that out if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next video.